Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. Will be the last one for this week. So we'll have a bit of a look at the market, see what's happened this week, see what we might be able to surmise for the next couple of days, and go from there. But firstly, as always, we'll have a look at the economic calendar here. So we have we don't have a lot of news early in the London, but we do have some USD news here coming out at 12:30, which is the first couple of hours of the New York session, with core PCE price index and unemployment claims. So that'll give us a bit of an indication what we could be looking for if they do obviously come in higher than expected, as it says here. If actual is less than forecast, it's good for the currency. So if they come in higher than expected, which is that 209,000, then we could see a dump on the DXY. So if we have a look at the DXY here at the moment, we can see here, there's yesterday's analysis that we drew up. We did ultimately see that high get taken, which we discussed, and we had that pull back down and then obviously push back up again. So there was a bit of a trade there to be had. For those that were watching for that. But let's have a bit of a look on a higher time frame at the moment. We are in a little bit of a funny area. We have been pretty well just dumping for a while here. It's been pretty well straight line down sort of thing. That's very aggressive dump. We have sort of consolidated a little bit here at the bottom. We do have on the 4 hour here. There was all of this imbalance, which a large amount of it got filled with yesterday's push price action into that 4 hour imbalance there. We can see there into that 4 hour imbalance, and now have pushed back down. So with the news coming out of the US today, I feel that could be a further catalyst for a further dump on the Dixie. With it looking extremely as bearish as it is, there's nothing really there that gives me the vibe that we could be going long, unless we are starting to see a shift pushing back up towards this higher 4 hour imbalance up here. But again, I think for today, just as because there's not really much that gives like a true indication, apart from obviously we are very short. If we were to come up into here and sort of meander around, we may be lining up for a short scenario there. But ultimately, for myself, I think I'll just be leaving it for the rest of this week, see what news comes out today, and possibly look at trading after that, and see if we can get that move from the US today, which should give us a little bit of clarity in the market. Euro USD, same thing with Euro yesterday. We were looking for that break there of that low. Obviously we got that break. Jump down here on the 15-minute. We can see here we'd lined up, we came down, broke that low, pulled back up into that area, and then we're able to take a short from that point there, which obviously played out quite well with a 30 pip drop there. So again, definitely enough move there to be taking money from the markets. So basically at the moment, 15-minute has flipped bearish. We've got an extremely bullish 4 hour. 4 hour is currently still bullish. We had a pull down, pull up, pull back down, pull up. So until really this low gets broken, this is all internal structure. So we could even see a little bit further pull down before going long. What do we got here on our fib tool? So we can see here with that wick extension there has come down to the 7.0, nearly on the 7.02. So yeah, that is quite a strong, good retracement there for that 4 hour move. But again, if we are looking for a possible tank in the Dixie, we could be looking at going long from here. But also, if that news comes out good out of the US, we could see a further drop. But again, 15-minute bearish, 4-hour bullish. It's not really giving us much indication of anything to trade on. We do like that 4-hour and 15-minute to align. So for me, it's kind of just a wait and see. Jump down here on the 15-minute. If we were to get all of these highs swept and taken, we could possibly be looking for a break, retest, and go long from this area. But yeah, we would. I'd definitely like to see that high get taken, and then obviously the Asia low stay intact. If it was to come down, break the Asia low, then it's more than likely that that has been a liquidity sweep, and we're looking to head for lower prices. So definitely, if we see that break, internal structure, see some lower time frame shift, we might be able to take a long from there. GBP USD. Again, same sort of thing as yesterday. We were anticipating some possible long structures, but if that low was taken, then we could be looking for a change in trend. Now, 15-minute here obviously came down, flipped bearish, and then went up and flipped bullish again by taking out this high and this high. So we're kind of consolidated here within this range. It's not really giving us much. So basically we want to see either between here and here, we're kind of in a range. I definitely would not like to be trading anything within that area there. Definitely want to see a strong indication by a break as to which way we could possibly be going. So yeah, and I think a lot of that's going to be based out of the news coming out of the US today. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for jumping on again this week. As always, I appreciate the support that of you guys watching these videos each day. And I'll be back next week for some more daily market outlook videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.